In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the active theme in WordPress. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your blog, update your business site, or simply experiment with new designs, WordPress makes it easy to switch themes in just a few steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, review, and activate a theme that matches your vision, all from the WordPress dashboard. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can find a link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see several options to sign in. I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option. This method links your Google account to WordPress, making the login process quick and secure. If you prefer another sign-in method, you can explore those options, but for simplicity, we'll continue with Google. Once you select that option, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you want to use. Just make sure you select the correct account, as this determines which WordPress environment you'll have access to. After signing in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website from here. Locate the Appearance section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. The Appearance menu is where you'll find everything related to your site's design, including customization tools and theme options. Within the Appearance section, navigate to the My Themes area. This is the place where all of your available themes are displayed. Each theme is shown with a preview image, giving you a quick way to visualize how it might look on your site. Take a moment to browse through the themes and find one that aligns with your design goals. Whether you're going for a sleek, modern layout or something more creative and bold, this is where you'll make your choice. Once you've identified the theme that catches your eye, click on it. This will open the theme's detail page. Here you'll find more information about the theme, including its features and a larger preview of how it looks. Take your time to review the details carefully to ensure the theme meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with what you see, you're ready for the next step. To activate the theme, simply click the Activate button on the detail page. This action will set the selected theme as the new design for your website. You might notice a brief confirmation message or a short transition process, letting you know that the activation was successful. And that's it. You've successfully changed your active theme in WordPress. By following these steps, you can easily refresh your website's look and feel whenever you like. If you have any questions or run into issues while changing your theme, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.